So yeah, my name is Lurik Marashani. I'm the inventor of Dry Bath. So we just came out here today to see the launch of the Step Up competition and basically see how new competitions are enabling better innovations for the future. So I'm very excited about this. It's going to be exciting to see what Tia and Sasol are going to achieve with this partnership. And I'm hoping that the competition gets entered by everybody. This is university students, working professionals, even high school kids are invited to participate in this type of competition. So it's going to be very interesting to see the amazing ideas we're expecting out of this initiative.
Okay. And do you think this would have made a big difference to you if you'd have entered a competition?
No, I actually funded my whole business entering competitions. So this was actually this is essentially what I wanted to push more of. So the more competitions we have, the more innovations and the more funding that these competitions allow small businesses to have to get the ideas off the ground.
Okay. And how important do you think innovation is to this country?
It's extremely important. Basically, you need your innovators to come up with the great ideas, then you need solid entrepreneurs to put these ideas into action and generate true economic change, socio-economic change for the whole country and the whole continent eventually.
And what do you think some of the biggest barriers are for innovators?
I'd say the biggest issue we have is that we don't have enough mentorship. So the competition provides a lot of in-kind services. This is what innovators really need, because the focus is on getting the innovators to really come up with the ideas and supporting them with funding, with resources, with advice, with just connections and networks.
Okay. So is there a kind of a message that you'd have for potential innovators out there?
It's your opportunity to enter. The truth is that you have little to nothing to lose. Your idea gets in a database. You might get funding even if you don't win the competition. So this is the opportunity to put it on a platform where people can evaluate it and tell you if it really works. And if it's really amazing, they'll give you the resources you need to get it to the next step and take it to the market.